Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing the oil change on my 23 Elantra N-line. The Elantra N-lines, possibly for all the 1.6 Smart Stream, they do take 020, so you can see right here. They all should be the same. That goes for the Elantra N-line, Kona, and basically all the 1.6 engines. And also installing the Sxth Element Billet Aluminum oil cap. On top you have the design of the oil cap as well as the colors, which is purple, red, blue, silver, and black. And then we'll just drop this, get this down. There we go. Alright, and this is what the red color looks like right here. This is what it looks like in the sun. As you can see here, you already have a gasket on here, so you don't have to transfer it over. And then shout out to Sxth, Zach from Sxth for the plug right here for my forge intake. And then the oil we'll be using today, I'm trying some different, using royal purple, using 020 with that. And then got this from Part Star. This is the oil filter, and then this is basically the cross-reference part number if you want to pause and look at that. And then we'll also open this, and this is the filter right here. It is a cartridge filter, as we can see here, part number. And also you have your instructions inside as well, with a washer and then replacement. This piece right here, this basically drains the oil before you take the whole bottom of the housing out, basically. So if you see this right here, look under, and then this little piece right here is the part that you pretty much turn to release the oil out, and then you use this to basically unscrew it and tighten it back. And then the old drain plug bolt is basically a 17. So I got a 17 with this right here, and that's all you pretty much need. All right, first thing first. If you do have your car on a jack stand or ramps, it's best to just raise it up and then make sure you apply the parking brake. First thing we're going to do is just take the cap off. The car has been sitting for a quick sec, so it's cooled down. Just going to pull this up just a little bit to relieve pressure, and then we're going to go get to work. So, first thing we're going to do, so there's 17 on here. Alright, give it a little pull. Alright. Alright. Just gonna turn this. Should be enough room for it to fly back. Right. Alrighty, and with the packaging included, it also came with a new washer. I'm gonna take this old one out off of here. Just get that off. And then we'll just put the new washer on. Do that right there. And tighten it on. I'm gonna take our 17, put it back to the tighten side on the ratchet. Just give it at least about a quarter of a turn. And one more. Alright, it's pretty good. Next step is this right here, is our oil filter housing. We're gonna take off, turn this right here, and then we're gonna take this off. Alright, so correction, so the filter housing socket size is a 24 millimeter. Oiling, these take 5 or 5.5 quarts of oil. So I got 5 quarts of oil purple from 20. These cars take 0W20. So I'm just gonna get our oil funnel, and I'm just gonna pour that in there. Alright. Now we got our 5 quarts added. Just gonna give that a little gap right here. Place it to the side. I'm gonna take our old cap as well. Move that to the side. Just gonna hand tighten this like it says only. Line this up perfectly. And install. Sounds satisfying to put on. Just gonna give a nice little pull right here. Boom. Looks pretty good. Alright, now we're gonna start the car. I don't have the key, but I can use on these Hyundais. You can also use your phone, or you can use a key card. So I'm gonna place this in the wireless charging tray from the brake. We're gonna let this run. The car is still warm, as you can see here. To reset the oil light, we're gonna go, as you see, it's popped up there. I'm gonna go over here. There are two mains that you have to reset for oil change. So I'm gonna press setup. I'm gonna press blue link if I'm correct. No, it's the wrong one. So we're gonna go to vehicle. And then we're gonna go down to convenience. I'm gonna press the oil change reminder. Let's see, we're at 45. We're gonna reset that. Reset that. And then you can also change the interval, so distance, and then we're just gonna, let's see, I think we can also reset it, yes. So we're just gonna leave that, reset. By default, they are around like that. You have 4,000, or when you get it brand new, it's like 75 for the dealerships, 7,500 miles. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna back out. Then we're gonna back out of this again, and then we're gonna go to, where are we at? It is blue link. Yep, blue link, and then you have maintenance. I'm gonna press on that, and then we're gonna press reset. Service maintenance. Yes.